The tweets from Dr. Odonga, former MP for Alur County, offer a fascinating look into the mind of a seasoned politician navigating a post-election legal battle in 2026. He is currently blending high-stakes legal strategy with philosophical reflection and biting political satire. Here is a full breakdown and analysis of his recent activity. The legal battle, the missing Gazette. The central theme of Dr. Odonga's current frustration is the Electoral Commission's EC delay in officially gazetting the results for constituency MPs. The context: under the Parliamentary Elections Act, an election petition must be filed within a specific time frame, usually 30 days after the results are published in the Uganda Gazette. Otto's argument: he accuses the EC of cooking figures. He points out a glaring discrepancy. In many areas, the total votes cast for MPs reportedly exceed those cast for the president. The strategy: by waiting for the Gazette, Otto is preparing to file a petition against Christopher Komakei. The broken ballot boxes mentioned in your context are his smoking gun. He aims to prove that the mandatory recount was sabotaged to protect a 26-vote victory that he believes is illegitimate. Shift in philosophy, military democracy. One of his most surprising tweets, dated February 18, 2026, praises the UPDF, Uganda People's Defense Forces, as the most disciplined institution in the country. The military democracy concept. Otto is suggesting that while civilian democratic institutions like the EC are failing or dishonest, the military remains a stable, organized pillar. Analysis: this is a major rhetorical shift. For a former position-leaning firebrand to call for a close study of military democracy suggests he may be delusional with traditional ballot box politics and is looking at power through a more pragmatic, real point lens. Satire and the pork controversy. Otto references a viral series of tweets from General Muhoozi Kainerugaba regarding the arrest of pork eaters. The joke: Muhoozi recently posted controversial satirical comments about cultural policing, specifically targeting Banyankole, who eat pork or grasshoppers. Otto's reaction: he defines the ingredients of the offense with lawyer-like precision. By laughing at this for a week, he is highlighting the absurdity of Ugandan political discourse in 2026, where a general social media post carries as much weight or more than actual legislation. Personal reflection, the burden of fame. Between the legal threats, Otto shares a vulnerable moment about his life as a celebrity. The price of popularity. He describes the loss of a private life, where even traffic lights become a venue of selfies and questioning. The 20-year horizon, his tweet about 2046, serves as a memento mori for his political rivals. He is telling his supporters and his opponent, Komakei, that today's victory or defeat is temporary. He views himself as a long-distance runner, implying that even if he loses this court battle, he is playing a much longer game. But analysts strongly believe Dr. Odonga will win this court battle. Thank you.